We can use the bracket expression after the string to get some portion of the string or substring, similar to Python string slices. With a single number between the bracket, you get the character at that index. So to get h, we put 0 there, and you get the h, and 1, and 2 and 3, E and L, and W is 6. And you can specify the starting index and ending index with a colon in between. So if I want to get just hello, then we can put 0 as the starting index and 4 as the ending index. 4. And then we get the hello. We can also omit the starting index, and it would automatically assume 0, so that will do the same thing. And to get the world, put 6 and we put 10, and that will get world. And similar to the starting index, when we omit, it assumes that you want it till the end of the string, so that will do the same thing. And you can also specify the ending index with a minus, so -1 being the last of the string, and you can increase it, the minus value, like so. So one thing to keep in mind when you're using this expression is that it does not raise any error even if you provide with index that does not make sense. For example, something out of range, for example. It simply returns an empty string. And you can even start an index, for example, like 6. So you're starting at 6, and you're ending at, let's just say, 1, which simply does not make sense. It still does not raise any errors. There's another function that you can use, get a substring. It is string char part. So there is two functions. String chars, string part is the one with the byte index, and string char part is the one with the character index. So since we're dealing with the characters now, I'm going to use the string char part, and first string or first argument is the string, original string, and starting string, I'm just going to put 6 to get the second word, which is world. And instead of specifying the ending index, you specify the length in this function. And it's an optional argument, so if we don't specify it, I think it will just return until the end of the string. Yeah. And we can also specify the length. WO. Yeah, okay. And I think this also does not raise any errors. So let's just start the index with 100. Okay, so even this one, you can put any number there, and it will just return an empty string and not an error. So you would have to do the error control by yourself.